It's autumn, and the garden is looking good. There is one problem though, leaves. The trees are dropping them like mad at the moment, and there's still loads more left. They're already just about everywhere, and today I'm going to be clearing them up. Last year the leaves were all left on the floor and it caused me loads of hassle this year, so I'm going to get started nice and early this year. I have a couple of electric leaf blowers, but I've decided to rake up the leaves. First up is the top lawn. The leaves aren't too bad here yet, but the beech trees will be dropping loads in the near future. So I've got the first lot of leaves all piled up in little piles, and now I'm just going to go barrow them to the compost heap and get going with the second area. Next up is the middle lawn. Again, it's not too bad. Now it's time for the bottom lawn and the paddock. Parts of it are overrun with leaves at the moment. I also decided to start collecting the leaves in these bulk bags, just so I can move more about at a time. Okay, the light is fading very fast and I've still got a little bit more to do, a few more leaves to move, and then I would have had the majority of the paddock, the bottom lawn, the middle lawn and the top lawn all done. You can already see in certain parts, especially on the bottom lawn, where leaves are already starting to fall and there's a bit of a problem, but this is just going to be how it is for the next few weeks while all the leaves fall off. Now that I got this first one done, it should be way easier to maintain. But yeah, I'm just going to finish this, move it up to the leaf pile, and then tomorrow I'll just show you the leaf pile just to show what 1 week's worth of leaves looks like. So there's the pile of leaves. It is deceptively tall. It's probably close to 4.5, 5 feet tall. It's also very wide, and that's all leaves there, so I've been throwing it off of the compost heap onto the pile in order to make it taller. So that's about 1 week's worth of leaves. There's so many areas where I haven't even got to yet, like the wild gardens, and under that horse chestnut there's still so many more leaves, and I'm going to be slowly working through it. I'll probably provide some updates in the future when it gets massive, because I have a feeling this pile of leaves is just going to get huge. And that about wraps up this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.